It almost looks like hail dents. I'm down here in our aluminum shop, and I have a Nissan here. This one has a bunch of damage across the front end. I don't know what happened to this one. It almost looks like hail dents, but hail wouldn't leave all these marks. So that makes me think this is probably vandalism, is my guess. A ball peen hammer or something. I could be wrong, I really don't know. But hail isn't gonna leave marks like that did. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dive into this hood. I'm gonna use possibly a few different methods to work this metal back into shape. I'm gonna try to get to the backside and push them out the best I can to start with. And then if there's some that I can't get access to, I might have to zap a couple aluminum studs on there to pull the dents out. Today's episode is brought to you by my friends at Panther Pro and their complete fit glass system. Many of you can absolutely lift a windshield out all by yourself. You could even sit one all by yourself. However, this is destroying your shoulders and back. Not to mention the risk of possibly nicking the paint on either side of the windshield or on the hood of the roof. Anything's possible. I've seen it happen before. Whenever you're trying to sit a windshield all by yourself, it's very, very awkward. My friends at Panther Pro made this process very simple. You just drive over the base, set up the arm, and it sets up in less than 2 minutes. Very, very simple. You have a controller to control the speed, the up and down speed, and you could easily, slowly lift a windshield out or sit the new one back in all by yourself. Stop distracting your other employees. Stop destroying your shoulders and back. Go to pantherpro.com and get yours ordered today.